First stuck of the day. Oh, good times. So yeah, I couldn't quite get my weight shifted to the right fast enough to make it through there. So unfortunately, this is where she lays. So have to say, the new 509 X6 goggles, heated goggles, are working awesome. Absolutely worth the money. They it's snowing today, kind of coming down. You can probably see it, little tiny flakes, tons of them, and goggles are totally clear. I've had no issues so far with them icing up or getting even wet or anything. They've been absolutely fantastic. So shout out to Vern Motorsports, good buddies over there, getting us great deals on good gear. So it's really awesome. Okay, I'm gonna break out the shovel real quick here and maybe roll the sled over, and I should be heading out that direction. Oh, look who's stuck again. I think I've been stuck like 3 times today.
I think so.
This will be my 3rd, and you've been stuck 0.
The benefit of following.
I guess. Oh man, that in my defense though, that the second one, the tree kind of jumped out at me. Yeah. It definitely moved. Okay, so funny story. We just had the drone out and it decided to just fall and land by itself without me able to tell it not to. So we think it's somewhere that direction, but I hope we can find it. Here we go. I guess we'll see.
Needle in a haystack.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. I don't know how well I've kind of covered everything, but just a quick recap. Yesterday, Danny and I were out sledding. Sent the drone up, did a few turns. Drone decided it needed to land immediately for some reason and wouldn't let me retake control. I don't know if there's some button I had to press or something on the screen for the camera view or what, but anyway, the sticks were not working at all. So the drone landed itself and we had no idea where it was. It was out of hearing range. We knew roughly what direction it was, but we looked for about 2 hours and couldn't find it, and it was getting dark, so we were like, you know what, it's a lost cause, let's head home. So I get home and I was looking more at the app, the DJI app for the drone, and there's a spot on there with a little map that shows you like all the places you can't fly and stuff like that. And so I went there, and then I found a spot that said locate your drone. So I hit that, and sure enough, the last place the drone recorded it being was showing up on Google Earth on my phone. And so it's still, I'll actually show you guys here. So right there, I don't know if you guys can see that very well. So right there, it's sitting in the trees, lost 22 hours ago. And yeah, so anyways, the next day here, and we're gonna go see if we can find it now that we actually have some GPS coordinates as to where it is. So fingers crossed. Just waiting here in Enderby for Danny to show up, and we'll be heading up the mountain. Okay, so that's the trail right there. Yesterday we were looking all on the other side of the trail because that's where we thought it was. The beacon, or the app led us right to where our backpacks are sitting right here. And we've been poking around. We've been up there a ways. We've been down there. Danny was just down there. And I came back. We're thinking like it landed next to a small tree from what we could see in the video when it landed. But anyway, I loaded it up on my Google Maps instead of using the app, and it basically led me right to here. And so anyway, I was like, man, I am standing right on top of it according to this. So I started poking around, and sure enough, there it is, right there. Let's see how she's doing. So that here, let's set it on my backpack. This arm is supposed to fold like that. It's not broken. There we go.
Send her up for another
Oh, beautiful. I left the controller at home. So, no, I think I'll pull the battery out of it and then I'll take it home, blow it out maybe with the air compressor or something, and then throw it by the fire for a day or so to dry out. And then we'll see if she fires back up. It doesn't look too bad. It's got a little bit of snow in the motors, but if I can blow it out without it melting and like frying, I think there's hope. We'll see. Here's Enderby. Absolutely awesome. So I think I'll close out the video here. Sorry for the wind. I figured the view might make up for it. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Big thank you to Danny for helping find the drone. It's so awesome we managed to get out again today. Thank you to my boss for letting me get off work early so we could come up here and look for it. And yeah, sledding's just always an adventure. It's crazy. But I'm not sure if it'll be in this video or the next one. I'll update you guys on if the drone is actually okay and functioning. I'd be a little bit surprised if it wasn't. If anything, maybe the motors need to be changed. There's a gust of wind. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. It's muchly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.